Hello children. Yes, the followed video is video related to our lesson, our life in society. So all I want you to do is go through the video. It's very well explained and there are some questions asked in between the lesson. So all you have to do is after watching the video, go through the questions and attempt them and write them, and those questions we will discuss when we meet online. Okay.
Standard 6th Civics Chapter number 1 Our Life in Society. In the 5th standard, we have learned about the evolution of man. It tells us that our present social life has taken shape through a process of evolution over thousands of years. Man has moved from a nomadic stage to a settled social life. Why did man feel the need for society? A stable and secure community life is necessary for the development of the individual as well as society. In the nomadic stage, man did not have the stability and security. When man realized that living in a group provides security, people came together to develop an organized way of life. This was one of the main motivations for the creation of society. Living in society, man felt the need for rules to help with the smooth functioning of day-to-day matters. It gave rise to conventions, traditions, ethics and values, rules and laws. Man's life in society became more organized and stable. The social nature of man. Man is social by nature. We all basically like to live with one another, in each other's company and with people around us. Living with people not only makes us happy, it is also our need. We have many needs. Food, clothing, shelter are our physical needs. Once these are satisfied, man gets a sense of stability. But that is not enough. We also have some emotional and psychological needs. For example, to feel secure is an emotional need. When we are happy, we wish to share our happiness with others. Similarly, when we are sad, we wish to have somebody with us. We like the companionship of our family members, relatives and friends. These feelings reflect our social nature. Speak and write. You have got the first prize in a drawing competition. Will you keep it to yourself or show it to your friends? How do you expect them to respond? What were your feelings after their response? First, felt very happy about the appreciation. Second, felt motivated to draw good pictures. Third, write more about the feelings you experienced. You know that food, clothes, shelter, education and health are our basic needs. Due to the labor and skills of people in the society, a variety of articles are produced. Education and health-related services and facilities allow us to live with dignity. All this is made available in a society. A variety of industries and occupations help to fulfill our needs. For example, we need books for studying and paper for books. That is why occupations like manufacturing paper, printing, bookbinding, etc. also develop. Many people contribute to this process. Thus, the variety of occupations in the society help us in fulfilling our needs. This also leads to the development of our skills and capabilities. Our basic needs are fulfilled in society. We depend on each other for emotional needs such as security, appreciation, praise and support, etc. Thus, our life in society is interdependent. Try this. Make a list of all the different things we need every day. Who are the people who make these things and help to bring them to you? Find out the answers in relation to at least 5 things you use daily. Our development. Every person is born with some qualities and capabilities, but they are dormant. They develop in a society. We use language to communicate with one another, but we cannot do so at birth. We learn language gradually. Our first language is the one that is spoken at home. If our neighbors speak different languages, we pick up those too. Schools also provide opportunities to learn different languages. We also have the capacity to think independently. For example, when all the students in a class are given the same topic for an essay, why is it that no two essays are the same? It is because the thought process in each is different. Society helps in the development of our emotional capabilities and the power to think. It also provides the opportunity for expressing our thoughts and feelings. The development of our artistic and other talents also take place in society. Singers, musicians, artists, scientists, adventurers, social workers can all develop their qualities further because of the backing and encouragement of society. This encouragement is very important. What is meant by society? Society includes all people, men, women, grown-ups, old people, young children. Our families are a part of the society. Society also includes different groups, institutions and organizations. The interrelationship and interactions between the people, their dependence on one another and sharing also form a part of the society. Society is not simply a mob or crowd of people. A society is formed when people come together to achieve certain common objectives. In order to fulfill needs like food, clothing, shelter and security, the society has to create a permanent system. Without such a system, the day-to-day affairs of the society cannot be carried on. A system is essential for the continued existence of the society. For example, agriculture is essential to fulfill the need for food. Various institutions must be created to perform all the functions related to agriculture. Therefore, a vast system needs to be created which includes factories to manufacture tools and equipment used for farming, banks to provide loans to the farmers, a market for the goods produced, etc. The existence of many such systems makes a society stable. In the next chapter, we shall learn about the diversity in the Indian society. Do you know? All human beings are equal by birth. They have the same status as human beings. According to the Constitution of India, all are equal before the law. The Constitution guarantees the equality of opportunities. We can each make progress using our education, capabilities and skills.
Okay children, so I'm sure you must have gone through the video very well and you have taken down the questions. Please write down the answers to the questions, and if you have any doubt related to the lesson while reading or while watching the video, kindly jot it down so that when we meet online we can solve the doubts. Okay, but I want you all to religiously and honestly do the lesson. Okay, till then, keep watching, keep learning, keep reading, stay safe, stay healthy. Bye bye.